Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to voice chat on Discord while playing a game. Here's a step-by-step guide to voice chat on Discord while playing games on Windows. First, turn on your Windows PC and make sure it's connected to the internet. Open your browser and go to discord.com to download and install Discord for Windows if not already installed. Launch Discord and log into your account. On the left panel, join an existing server or create your own. Inside the server, click on the voice channel where you want to chat. Click Join Voice to enter the channel. At the bottom left, click the gear icon or user settings icon. Go to Voice and Video Settings. Select your input device, microphone, and output device, headphones or speakers. Adjust input sensitivity or enable push to talk. Then assign a key if you don't want your mic always active. Scroll down to Game Overlay and toggle Enable in-game overlay to on. Set a hotkey like Shift plus period to open Discord overlay while gaming. Open your game, press the overlay hotkey, and now you can chat, mute or unmute, or see who's talking while you play. Now you can voice chat with friends on Discord while gaming without needing to alt tab. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.